process of elections ma marafara mea be marafanam da mea kaku ninfo te nyankala yalma woni nya alaji and let me repeat that alaji ra jila patagbene no pa jenglo kom chente po jengle ka marafama ka kanati mi marafama rapala bin mi alu shepulo kar babo kat zang po kan mi
okay
nku so ni mane now do police biala yeto apuni but alaji lambna biala nyankala election 7th December ka ko alaji zan kana halna zongo dana maha dinna mahama in the process of bangbago nage Mr. Sof then issues to yina ka video ne yina mat izara nyele ka ba di sema marafana suwa karpo loro ko zo o mira kunyela suspect in the same process ismaya Sof ka yetu annan pam and la yetu amashi ka yel ne disi kula tana hale tolan hal in la process ismashi ka ba disi ma enchant vivio kalans wazang bai but ogba ma dari be yila kama tip of shelben dati bratla tip of commande afon nyelani seso wontum barna so are you with me o nyelani seso wontum barna
okay
o barna ma tumba ka pole shir bago ka marafa mane suwa karapo loro pune ka disma ma manzo brabo ne tema biso yule kopshi ka kopshi gbazo o kunna MP mamanga nta den nan sof whether lala nirma da nyela NDCB MPP o MP nye MP ma be chang okuyel ma bo eta halko be chang not because probably ojeno chang but because of ben sha onye mi
shara ben ne kama ono ba bibu da chang alaji
ama shara to chakamba ama shara ma Dr. Damba menti zanra chang dra yina polo so kara yina polo ne then be public records kamal yarango
okay
so o be chang then it means that yeto ashelen cho be chang ma
okay
koda olong no be chang be o jam no chang ka surma na isma ka barna shel kartum
okay
anyebo
yes
fast forward ka temabia in yitla na Sule Mohammed woni deputy secretary for MPP ka ora be duro ne tekpalam duro ma pune onko wonya vle na zo mo nambo o me biala nyang para so ka MP man DC Kuro who have not visited Nyankpala since the death of Alhaji
kapabor after election ma MP kana officially
chang
okay
so kapabor na be kana Sule Kuyilongo kana chimbama sori yisi and anya leader amila an shan kamar nirba but akuto force nirba so are you with me nyambelendela nirba ama akuto force nirba neban ambor shelma so kana bolba anta paba su'lo nabe cheka nir kam borno kana Nyankpala ko mal space charna but on yelma nango mind you this is an era where ni salino emotional ayam belmotuna be ni kura sa shelbian sha acho ko na
yes
kana yulu hankali yeto a wena kuruka yiro yeto a o be le kar mal hankali number 2 iti yana ni non demonstration nem fo bier garlaini so no to kumbora fatina on your lad dama over latima kanya fatina dada
yes
ko chen kap de pun katin ya yalle so kana caution ba pa ya suguru kapla into enan yeto ashele kanin fo yo chen gabe pune kanan wula da mutuner nan
pam
so of now ka omi na ngombe na politics anya na nambe kere siyasa pune ko call it the parliamentary candidate for 2024 Dr. Damba kayelo anto yele DC nominee ma inye yeto ashele ne degi kamane MP mane DC Kuro bor na bakana Sule Kulla ama nye na chimbane yele yeto ashele mbalamba ama ne kpanshama shabne wum shabni bana to bor na bayi de pune but bi brigale ne darga so table ama anti an darga so table bukun tumbarna and what will be the barnama
donc mbe maga en yele to ashele ton zon for the first time kan yele
right
anya election day
nam
mpon na on kanyana bi shan da nan mo yam nyan kpelan yugunda na on pamo nin kurlum ka chat dulo chan katanga na on di shahara ndaji me kama ko kolma o mi to zula pam o to programs pam ha akushi TV se mbola me ko ma ni inyo pick information share that na chimbi shaben yila tampune kana nyan kpela yanga no juniti zam that we on air especially now discussing muzunite banti ya sham ka security dambe alert ka betale pon na so na maka do dita da pa travels ka tuma
I will come to kamane pierma
yes
I will da kamane mborna tinnin la ka samba nim yer yama ne nyeshare now on yale Dr. Dambala mbe mi party nirba so nyin yelma honorable Brema ka honorable Brema yimi MPP chairman ko le pass information ma to inyi behmani yale to ashele Dr. Damba is passing the information to the MC nominee because mun na be cheti yelamane kaman Dr. Damba mun chela yelamane where ko mun halka wo min barati sabtisa so kaman mane so mun MPP niri yamal engagement shele karnan healthy the ben nang te pa honorable Brema because he's come with a clean sheet
yes
the pasha mamel la ni ma kun tahta before I'm not saying to kun tahta to mi tahta
yes
but hati be tahta to male perception shall about me but the DC nominee mun kana with a clean slate and someone so comes me
representing president
ma in the whole community
yes
so ko pass information ma zanti the chairman ma ka chairman mi to pass information ma ngazang DC nominee ma shir pass chairman ka shir yelba then ka chanta boy in yabe yang pallana ko yalan issue shanga den yina but kamanlesia kamande dinnan kad nirma mal fitina ma ira pasoro di nage di balage into kai ko kulbi nara anye biyo
yes
now kan nirba yishaba gawa tan shale na chemlu sonan banda fire ko yale to abiyar zanpa na dewa pulu
ya tranyan yan pala na bulo na zo
na bulo na tizan sa su ne nye shale zanto wonan bana fa ko yalango ka shab zongo dolo kanani mane kable nye nta yabe tolen na like o pambal nanam nya bakable yika wana kabay wumye to ashel zongmane ka chanti yelen yab tolan lana ka yel pane kan yab tolan mi min yab nyang palana dia into contact with la fila so ban di fila kan yab nyang palan tin yab tolan clarity on information shel den nang zongmane so ban yelo shelma da pay mangale kan yab tolan na yelo nila nirba yima bitlan kanu zon ne be represent no yel ba yeto a do get it
now na barkana ya to nan banane
no
ka chat biyo chankata
yes
ni kurmanga
no ku chekala la nirma ne represent ro bilan kano zongni
pamun tambana
kan wonan tambana
Allahu akbar
so la nirma won kana usane yab nyang pallan sane ko yel on ko to yele yeto a nda kun yele yeto aki chanti yel pane kamman na gbage kapaso different yina nguna
nku yele ya
inkula yele to an pokma kan won hal dinya won timira kan won timira she won yel no
ko yila pen difila karti palala
okay now kana labtash tam shabaka ba chanta meeting yab nyang pallana ko yel man kumbe yel dieto ashalho man gurla MP won man former DC ho bisha banyan tumla tuma kan yan kabe yin chankar nya bi yin nyaba mi tangban ma mi bara
yes
so ticha kabana pa sokro di chanto no biala karamale how is this related to politics
now babla now manager to going to check arena send the video as anti yeah this is my pistol and that
now I lay statement ma nirba tan sign but nirba tamaza nyala branch executives of MPP
okay
but nirba tamaza banyala branch executives of MPP now what is the matter tamala DC confirm na party biane
17th
tra pour la common community center katien nangle leta ka change venue ma to assemblement bohol ma pune
okay
no chant nan confirmation ma dan ne
yes
all of a sudden asmo ka ku la'anda wa party dundwel ma ne ku la'amti yina with this manya halba ka soyen yala anyango pa MPP wa zipil go ko belma so ka nya karan man la kamane lala bebe ngo ban la'amayina nabta zanna nam zugre in mitaba ka statement ma pune ka yale nen yab nyang palla man Dr. Damban ko naivi
ka ya ne ban la mane Dr. Damba
but the question is MPP Northern Regional Secretary tangnon ko be
Dr. Hudu ka nyang pala
ko wula kan yab nyang palla makuru wer katla wabgana MPP mal branch executives ka ben nyang pala na chembele so biane nyang pala MPP guys ma won nang popular be yom o jarla nyang pala everything akuto kare party shall nirba ya same way kaman tola in yab tola na gbula wabgo lem nama because hal lem chairman biala 12 kan yina 12 ka organizer yina 12 deputy men organizer ko yina 12
donc ira va mi harma
yes anyebo so zo la boy so ban bor men ne be tukle nin kura ka sam
tedamo nye shelton Idris no dokurugu ziblim organizer of the ban ban group mo mara kachi Suleimana Fuseni Jabla kachi there's another name Yakubu Abdul Jalil branch executive
MPP branch executive so help party office ka lam in chani manama now issue man ni shamnyala da bon forum nam intervene me because bugban wumle be so sam me and the place ya bon wumle
I see
ka batara kamane it is really a traditional issue katinye politics ban kanan chan yab nyang pallan sane kartinye kamane lala issue kan yab nyang pallan ya o maso ko na fi kamane yab tolan difila hal ka ko len yab tolan lana
but before ka chan doctor
kam ko len yab tolan let me learn on this kam tolan ko len yab tolan lana kazantin yab nyang pallan ko mino difila ko there's no problem
you don't mean anya to ashel
just today this one to akan yarama so
yab nyang pallan men yab tolan
yab nyang pallan men yab mabukun dir la fila
no zuo
but diffilation
on phone
the bon forum them bien that's why I'm mentioning
so,
names
but before ka confirmation no dabselo bag be don ba na honorable DC nomini be man do chan yab to na jingba to melo sawara
minon chan
ngune
the honorable Breman the chairman in the council yes and I was there
chan yab to na
yes trabe ni mane in fact try and pilan yabe nyang palan yanga because traji la meeting nyang pala White House man so karshe 3 kilometer yina lu'sha pulma chan but ka te coordinator so wonya assemblyman man kalia ko kwang oma so tukutu na ke because so awda na ba so ai so kat nirma sha piche na ba ta so ai kat le chan yaboy warbo ala yanga yo yanga chan to pon yab to lana I was there
that was second time be palace back chamber
yes tin chena sanigba tara kushin makati di fila kana yel ti yeto an kudi ti fila na kat 20 po na paba kayina yes and then continue chan change I was there as communication officer the pictures are there ka chante po yab chendu lana kallab kana te po yab so yab nyang pallang ba ka tra po last this a later ka tan chante po yab lang bong la yab ka sulan nama so ti chante po yab tolan lana but in any way Tolong ye capital of Tolong constituency wula ka DC and the assembly is located in Tolong ka chante po tolan na a DC position yala local government o man na mi antumda
so in that chan yab tolan na da yele ni you to be bien for that matter
no
one cannot know you
no ya yeto ashan anyer wonu karne bebe ya lo kan yarle man se du fita akto chakan lead la bano anku chekan badwan tan kagbama abinye wumsman no you can let your name be on this and they think that the kuyina social media one day you see it kabwara ma so where you where you used you were not used you were just telling people that abinye wumsebo because for example dinyala MP ka bane let's take it for kamanya mangale MP ka yang namba na to sableton ka signale
but they are doing on behalf of party man
so that is politics not Tolong concern youth because I'm from Tolong and I'm concerned about Tolong
you not concerned youth
I am concerned about Tolong
so what's what have joined about
yaman no more concerned than in Tolong than even Ben Yaro nanya porta halati titi Tolong nirba kana shiptana kay Tolong kan yina kan choko pie foli
I see
I cannot board admission kay Tolong wala wa be I'll help you get the admission